Where I live, it's a bit cheaper to have a shower with the hot water from the boiler than it is to use these electric showers which someone's installed over the bath in this house. These are running about 14 or 15 kilowatts, and people like to be in it for about half an hour or a bit more, which over the course of a week can add quite a lot of cost to your electricity bill. So I bought this little converter off of Amazon which goes into a single tap. I had a similar thing in my old house, but it was like a double tap shower converter, but this one I didn't want to change the taps on the bath, so I just got this single tap one, and it fits in nice and easy. You just remove the little filter bit and then screw it in, make sure it's in there super tight, otherwise you'll get a bit of dribbling coming out of it. And once it is all installed, you can just flip up this little lever bit, and that gets the shower going, and the pressure which comes out of the shower head when it's coming straight from the tap like this is a lot better than it is coming out of the actual electric shower, so it's a bit of a win-win for that. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you when I come up with some more money saving tips.